So this is the Miele Blizzard CX1. I've been in the market for a new Hoover for a while now, yeah, very interested to review this one. Bagless technology, which is quite interesting. So simply pull this bit up here to release, and then you can see in here I've already done a little bit of testing. It simply slides back on like so. Yeah, it's quite chunky. I did read a few other reviews online that said it was heavy. So I'm not sure how manoeuvrable it's going to be around the house, but yeah, let's fire it up and see what you think. So simple power on, and then the settings here. Turn it up to max. Sounds like it's going to take off. Simple. An exceptionally long Hoover hand. Quite surprised with that. Now, actually, if you see it's set on max here, it's actually too much. That's actually too strong for my carpet. You just can't move the Hoover head whatsoever. So I need to turn it down, all the way down to sort of halfway in between the medium setting. Turn it back on, and then you can move it. It's still hard work to push, so I'm just going to turn that down again to here. But the problem with turning it down to that setting is it then doesn't quite take up as much stuff, as many bits on the floor as it does on max strength. Now if you then flip it to hard floor, it's a lot easier, and then you can put it back up to max, and then on the hard floor there's still a lot of pull in there, so I'll turn it off. There's also here a little contraption which is actually quite difficult to use. You push this forward, and then that allows you to then clean like the skirting boards easily, because it's got a bristle head. Quite a nice idea, but like I said, it's quite difficult. You have to have quite a lot of strength, as you can see, in your hand to get that to slide back in. Now, one of the other things I saw online was the fact that it's a single button press to rewind the whole reel in. So we'll see whether or not that works now. Unclip it here, and one press. Yeah, okay, so that goes away nicely. And then you've also got some accessories down here, which is the small head for getting in the corners, which is quite nice. That fits back in there. And then over here you've got the upholstery cleaning brush, which is good again. Now, again, let's show this. Again, so bagless technology. So in theory, I can now go and empty that straight into my bin. It is quite tricky to get that to fit first time. There we go. There she is. Quite a strange looking vacuum cleaner, really. It's quite heavy. I like the Miele brand in here. Reminds me of some sort of car. Yeah, but I'm not sure. It might be too powerful. Just maybe too powerful. Also got this attachment here. I don't even know what that one's for. SRD. Maybe curtains. I'll figure that out sometime. But yeah, I mean, I've got a handheld Dyson cordless, and that's a much easier to use, but then it is a cordless, so I need a new vacuum cleaner like this to supplement that one. Yeah, maybe I'm not convinced about the strength. I think it's too strong, but yeah, maybe give it a 7 out of 10. Thanks.